Today, my friend Chihu and I are having 한국식 barbecue, Korean barbecue at a specialty restaurant, enjoying a sizzling meal we'll cook right at our table. I'll talk you through our conversation and break down the vocabulary as we grill up some tasty food. Chihu has already ordered for us. Let's see what's for dinner. 와, 이거 맛있어 보여요.
이게 떡갈비예요.
와, 이게 뭐예요?
이건 한우 양지 곰탕이에요.
The food had just arrived. It looked delicious, and I said, 와, 이거 맛있어 보여요. This looks delicious. 와, 이거 맛있어 보여요. Chiyu pointed to the patties in a cast iron plate and said, 이건 떡갈비예요, which means this is minced pork ribs. The meat is taken from the bone and marinated in onion, garlic, ginger, soy sauce, and sesame oil. Then, it's minced and formed into patties and topped with a glaze made of soy sauce and honey. 이건 떡갈비예요. Did you hear what I said next? 와, you'll hear this a lot. It means something like, wow. 와. Then, I pointed to the pot of soup and asked, 이게 뭐예요? What is this? 이게 뭐예요? He explained, 이건 한우 양지 곰탕이에요. This is Korean beef brisket soup. It's a clear bone broth with slices of beef, glass noodles, and a heap of vegetables. 이건 한우 양지 곰탕이에요. Let's fire up the grill.
제가 떡갈비를 구울게요.
와, 뜨거워요.
네, 제가 고기를 자를게요.
이게 뭐예요?
이건 피클이에요. 이건 김치예요. 그리고 이건 나물이에요.
이게 뭐예요?
이건 쌈장이에요. 한번 먹어보세요.
와, 매워요. Chiu turned on the burner and said, 제가 떡갈비를 구울게요. This means I'll grill the minced pork ribs. 제가 떡갈비를 구울게요. Since the food is served in a cast iron, they are ready for the heat. The grill sizzled and I said, 와, 뜨거워요. It means that's hot. 와, 뜨거워요. The meat was browning quickly. To ensure it cooked evenly and didn't burn, he said, 제가 고기를 자를게요. I'll cut the meat. 제가 고기를 자를게요. While he managed the grill, I examined the side dishes. I pointed to a bowl of crisp daikon, onion, and carrots in a clear sauce. Did you hear what I asked? That's right. 이게 뭐예요? What's this? 이게 뭐예요? He said, 이건 피클이에요. This is pickle. 이건 피클이에요. He pointed to the various bowls with spicy cabbage and said, 이건 김치예요. This is kimchi. 이건 김치예요. Then he pointed to two small bowls and said, 그리고 이건 나물이에요. And these are seasoned vegetables. Local traditional produce is seasoned with soy sauce, sesame oil, salt, and vinegar, minced garlic, and topped with sesame seeds. 그리고 이건 나물이에요. I checked out the other sauces and asked, 이게 뭐예요? What's this? 이게 뭐예요? Chihu replied, 이건 쌈장이에요. It's 쌈장. Then he said, 한번 먹어보세요. That means, try it. 쌈장 is a salty, mildly spicy dipping sauce that's always served with Korean barbecue. 이건 쌈장이에요. 한번 먹어보세요. I took a small taste and it was spicy. 와, 매워요. Wow, it's spicy. 와, 매워요. Here are some words we heard. Try saying them along with me if you'd like. 와, wow. 이게 뭐예요? What is this? 이건 떡갈비예요. This is minced pork ribs. 이건 한우 양지 곰탕이에요. This is Korean beef brisket soup. 제가 떡갈비를 구울게요. I'll grill the minced pork ribs. pickle, pickle. 김치, kimchi. 나물, seasoned vegetables. 맛있어요. It's delicious. 매워요. It's spicy. Let's see what happens next.
쌈을 싸서 먹어보세요.
이렇게요?
네, 상추에 고기를 올리세요. 다음 고기에 파무침을 올리세요. 이제 쌈장을 위에 얹어보세요.
이렇게요?
네, 이제 먹어보세요.
와, 맛있네요. 지후 picked up a piece of lettuce and said, 쌈을 싸서 먹어보세요. Trying to make a ssam. 쌈을 literally means wrap. In Korean cuisine, wrapping bits of meat and veggies with sauce is a specialty. 쌈을 싸서 먹어보세요. Okay, I followed his lead. 이렇게요? I asked. This means like this? 이렇게요? He said, 네. Yes. Then he said, 상추에 고기를 올리세요. Put the meat on the lettuce. 네. 상추에 고기를 올리세요. Then he put a salad on the meat and said, 다음 고기에 파무침을 올리세요. This means, next, put green onion salad on the meat. Thinly sliced green onions are tossed with soy sauce, sesame oil, vinegar, and chili paste. It's the perfect complement to barbecue. 다음 고기에 파무침을 올리세요. Then he said, 이제 쌈장을 위에 얹어보세요. This means, now put some 쌈장 on top. 이제 쌈장을 위에 얹어보세요. I asked, 이렇게요? Remember that? Right, like this. 이렇게요? And he nodded and said, 이제 먹어보세요. Now, try it. So I did. And you know what I said? 와, 맛있네요. Wow, it's delicious. 와, 맛있네요. Let's review some more words and sentences. You can try saying them too. 쌈을 싸서 먹어보세요. Try to make a 쌈. 이렇게요? Like this. 상추에 고기를 올리세요. Put the meat on the lettuce. 다음. Next. 고기에 파무침을 올리세요. Put the green onion salad on the meat. 이제 먹어보세요. Now, try it. Now that I've broken the scene down for you, let's watch it in real time to see how much you've already learned. 와, 이거 맛있어 보여요.
이게 떡갈비예요.
와, 이게 뭐예요?
이건 한우 양지 곰탕이에요. 제가 떡갈비를 구울게요.
와, 뜨거워요.
네, 제가 고기를 자를게요.
이게 뭐예요?
이건 피클이에요. 이건 김치예요. 그리고 이건 나물이에요.
이게 뭐예요?
이건 쌈장이에요. 한번 먹어보세요.
와, 매워요.
쌈을 싸서 먹어보세요.
이렇게요?
네, 상추에 고기를 올리세요. 다음, 고기에 파무침을 올리세요. 이제 쌈장을 위에 얹어보세요.
이렇게요?
네, 이제 먹어보세요.
와, 맛있네요. Typically, when eating Korean barbecue, you'll order the meats you want to grill from the menu. Meats might include 꽃등심, flour sirloin, beautifully marbled ribeye. To order, you might say, 꽃등심 주세요. Maybe you want to try 삼겹살, pork belly prepared for barbecue. You might say, 삼겹살 주세요. If you need a refill of veggies or sauces, you can always ask your server. For example, if you want more 파무침, green onion salad, you might say 파무침 좀 더 주세요. If you need more 쌈장, you might say 쌈장 좀 더 주세요. When you receive the check, you'll see charges for the meat dishes and beverages. Side dishes and sauces are inclusive, though you may be charged extra for refills. Tipping isn't the norm here. Just politely thank your server for the delicious meal. Thanks for joining me today. We visited a barbecue restaurant and learned how to grill our meal and enjoy it like a local. To learn more useful phrases and gain more cultural insights, check out our other videos.